Are you thinking of switching your job, but you're scared, confused, or exactly don't know how to start with? Trust me, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to switch from one job to another without risking your career and peace of mind. Before switching job, the most important question is why? Why do you want to switch? Is it because you're not growing? Is the work culture toxic? Are you feeling bored? Or do you want to change because of salary? You need to figure out why. Never switch jobs just because you're frustrated. Switch only when you're clear. Clarity रहनी चाहिए that what do I need? If the problem is only workload or boredom, fix it. Job switching is not a escape plan, it's a career move. One of the biggest mistake which people make is quitting first and then planning. Don't do that. Unless you have very, unavoidable circumstance where you have to quit and then plan, that is a different thing. But if everything is fine, everything is normal, don't quit first and then plan. No. Before resigning, update your resume, update your LinkedIn profile, note down what all skills you have, note down what all skills are required. Remember this, you should always be prepared for your next role. ऐसा नहीं है कि you will learn when you go into your next role. No, this is no longer a fresher role. I'll be summarizing each topic so that it's easy for you to remember and reconnect to what all were the points we spoke on. First part was why do you want to switch? You need to be clear on that. Second part was about don't quit before planning. And third, apply while you still have your job in hand. Because you have a financial security, you will feel more confident in the interview and you can negotiate better offers. Keep doing your job professionally. Don't burn the bridges. Your next opportunity may come through your current network. You never know. So don't ever burn the bridge. Even if your current workplace is not that great or you feel it's toxic, you have to stay professional. That will definitely help you. People not only remember the way you worked, they also remember the way you left. Point number 4, you need to add impact in your resume and change the way you answer in the interviews. Now, how do we change the resume? You need to show your impact, not just responsibilities. You need to add numbers, growth, efficiency, turnaround, success rate, all the numbers. Match the keywords from the job description, update your LinkedIn profile. These are few of the changes which you can do in your resume. And coming to interviews, you need to change the way you answer now. When interviewers ask, why did you leave your previous job or why do you want to leave your current job? Answer it professionally. Don't badmouth your existing company or your previous company. Always say that I'm looking for better growth or opportunities which align with my role in this way. Never badmouth anyone or any company. That shows maturity, not negativity. Coming to interviews, companies are not only looking for skills, they are looking for solutions as well. Talk about the stories. Tell how you handled a particular situation or how you found solution for a problem. Show your decision making and not just tools or obeying the orders. And never complain about your current company. Never ever do that. Next point, apply smartly and not massly. See, you don't have to apply for 100 jobs blindly. Instead of that, pick out 10 job applications, go through them, analyze it, match your resume according to the job description, list out the skills which are common in both of them and apply for those jobs. Try referrals wherever possible. Quality over quantity. In short. Next point, evaluate the offer properly. Now, just because you're switching the role, don't accept anything whatever is provided to you. See, I have heard somewhere that you should not drink water from anywhere just because you're thirsty. You need to be mindful of what you're taking. So you have to evaluate the offer. बार बार थोड़ी switch करते रहोगे तुम. So when you get an offer, don't just look at the salary. Look at the company's background or the culture, how are the roles and responsibilities evaluated, what are the learning opportunities, how is the manager in the team. A high salary in a bad environment can cost you your mental peace. Last point, resign professionally. When it's time to resign, give proper notice. Hand over your responsibilities professionally. Say thank you to your manager even if it is tough. Leave on good terms. You're leaving your job, not your reputation. no matter how bad your experience was, how toxic the work culture was, how toxic the people were, always leave on good terms. Always. Don't send emotional emails, don't ghost in your notice period, don't speak badly just because you're leaving now. Complete your notice period honestly. Give a proper handover of the responsibilities. Don't burn the bridge. I repeat it again. Your ex manager can become your future reference. Your ex colleague can recommend you to someone else. Your reputation travels faster than your resume. Keep in mind. So, your exit matters more than you think. Just because you're leaving, you can do whatever you want. No, don't keep that notion in your head. Always leave on good terms. You may leave a company, but your name, your work, your ethic always has a stand there. So, job switching is not an escape plan. You are building your career. So, you need to be very clear. You need to have a proper plan in place. So, if you switch with clarity, skills, and strategy, you don't just get a new job, you actually level up in your life. Your next job might actually change your whole life. If this video helped you, hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Also, you can comment below your thoughts. See you in the next part.